What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sister J from Sister J Caribbean Cuisine. If this is your first time, I thank you so much for coming. If this is not your first time, I thank you so much for your support. Please continue to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I thank you and I appreciate the love. Today I'm doing some brown stew veggie chunks with mushroom and carrot. Come along with me. Let me show you how I do this lovely dish. Vegan friendly, Sister J's way. So here are the ingredients for this two veggie chunks. This is the veggie chunks right here. I have some pimento, some carrots already peeled and cut up. I have some garlic right here, scallion and thyme, assorted pepper, bell pepper, red, green, and yellow. I also have a hot pepper right there. Right here I have some onions, and right here some mushroom. Pink salt, olive oil, I have some browning, oregano, some garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, complete seasoning. So I'm going to start off by putting in the chunks in the boiling water. I already have the pot over here. The water is boiling, so I'm going to put the chunk in there. I'm just going to have it boil up for 3 minutes, and then I'm going to turn the fire off and get it drained. This way what I'm just having it to get soft. So when this becomes soft, it's going to be like beef. You know, should I compare my veggie chunks to beef? It's going to be like meat. But we all know that's veggie chunk is made from soya bean. Okay, so I'm just gonna have that boil up for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I drain the water off, and then we'll be cooking down some brown stew veggie chunks with carrot and mushroom. Okay guys, so it's time to drain this off. Guys, see, it's get tender. I could just cut it, see that? So I'm going to drain the water off, and then we're going to continue doing some brown stew veggie chunks. I'm just going to put a little seasoning on the veggie chunks. I'm going to put a little sazon season right here. Some paprika, some ground ginger, some garlic powder. I'm just going to mix that in. Okay, now it's time to start the veggie chunks. Okay, I'm just pouring a little oil in the pot. I'm using olive oil. Let's warm up that a little. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some garlic in the pot and some pimento. Now I'm gonna put the veggie chunks in. Guys, it smells so good already. Alright, so now I'm going to put the mushroom and the carrots in. Now I'm going to put a little water in. The onion. I'm going to put a little browning, not too much. Stir that in now. Some complete seasoning. The measurement will be in the description box. Some black pepper. Oregano leaves. Scallion and thyme. I'm going to put a little pink salt. Just a little. Just a little tip. Okay. So guys, we're going to cover this down and let it cook for 15 minutes. And then I'll put the other stuff in. Look at that. Wow. This smells so good, just like how it looks. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put my peppers in. This one is the hot pepper. And then I have my bell pepper, the yellow, red, and green bell pepper. I'll put my hot pepper in. It smells so good, guys. I'm gonna put some onion powder. Guys, I'm going to cover this up back for another 10 minutes. There you have it, guys. My brown stew veggie chunks with mushroom and carrots. Guys, this smells so good. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to like, share, and comment. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance.